how to fix iMessages from green to blue. So here's what you want. The first thing that you have to do is open up the settings on your phone, and right here we'll just search for messages like so. Click on messages at the top and untoggle iMessage. Wait for 5 seconds and then toggle this back on. Now once you have done this, another thing that we have to do is go back here to the settings, and we're going to search for FaceTime. Now click on FaceTime, and you want to uncheck FaceTime, wait for a bit, and again you want to check FaceTime. Now once you have done this, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, another thing that you can do is change your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi, and that should help you. And again, if it doesn't work, at the top right you want to click on the power button and restart your phone, and that should fix it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.